Pendant lights for bathroom. Pendant lights for bathroom are becoming more and more important. They can add depth and detail to the overall look of the space, making the bathroom perfect. There are a variety of traditional and modern bathroom lights to suit any style or budget, including wall lights, spotlights, and more. Roaby Interiors will help you discover the modern bathroom pendant light in this article. Why should you install pendant lights in the bathroom? Pendant lights can be a great option in any bathroom. They not only provide the necessary task lighting but also add a touch of style to your space. Here are some reasons explaining why you should choose pendant lights for your bathroom. Excellent illumination for tasks. Pendant lights are known for their ability to provide focused and direct light, making them ideal for task lighting in your bathroom. They are guaranteed to provide perfectly focused light for areas where you need more light, such as above the sink or vanity. Personalized designs. Pendant lights for bathroom come in a variety of styles, sizes, and patterns, allowing you to choose the best model that enhances the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Whether you're looking for minimalism or modernity, pendant lights offer a wide range of options to adapt your style. You can also customize the pendant light according to your bathroom. Versatile and functional devices. Besides lighting, bathroom pendant light fixtures play an important role in creating a functional and aesthetic space. LED lights for the bathroom can be placed in any space, such as hanging pendant lights over the bathroom vanity or the ceiling. However, you will make sure that it is mounted at the right height and practical for your space. Space-saving appliances. Pendant lights for bathroom take up very little space and simplify surfaces, making them suitable for some small spaces. If you are considering space, a bathroom pendant light will be a perfect choice. Moreover, you can also try to place a large and bold single pendant light in the center of the ceiling, which will act as ambient light. Easy to install and use. Pendant lights for bathroom are a popular choice due to their versatility, style, and ease of installation and use. If you want to replace or remove pendant lights, it is a simple job and does not require any professional experience. Enhance the bathroom's overall aesthetic. Bathroom lighting fixtures come in a variety of styles, from traditional to modern. In particular, with their great design, they will enhance the overall aesthetic and provide the perfect illumination, which can help brighten up your bathroom.